Surah, number 97, of Quran Majeed. The Ordainment.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr.
Indeed we sent it down on the night of ordainment.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ.
And what will show you what is the night of ordainment?
لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ خَيْرٌ مِّنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ.
The night of ordainment is better than 1,000 months.
تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر.
In it the angels and the Spirit descend, by the leave of their Lord, with every command.
سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
It is peaceful until the rising of the dawn.